PPO or HMO, one costs nearly 3x more. Do you know which one you have? Stick around to find out which plan saves you more money. And before we dive in, check the link in the description for a special discount on dental coverage. Okay, let's get into it. A dental PPO, or Preferred Provider Organization, lets you see pretty much any dentist you want, in-network or out-of-network. That flexibility is great, but it comes at a cost. A dental HMO, or Health Maintenance Organization, requires you to pick a primary dentist and stick to their network. Fewer choices, but a much lower price tag. In 2026, employer plan data, PPO family coverage runs about $26.22 per pay period. HMO family coverage, just $9.57. That's nearly 3 times the cost for comparable basic dental coverage. With a PPO, you're usually looking at an annual deductible, around $25 for individuals and $75 for families, plus coinsurance. So the plan might cover 80% of basic work and 60% of major procedures. And there's an annual maximum, typically $1,000 to $2,000. Once you hit that cap, you're paying 100% out of pocket. HMOs work differently. No deductible, no annual maximum, just fixed copays per visit. So you always know exactly what you'll pay. So who should pick what? If you're budget conscious, mainly need cleanings, and you're fine staying in one network, HMO is almost certainly your better move. But if you want the freedom to choose any dentist, see specialists without a referral, or you already have a dentist you love, a PPO might be worth the higher premium. Here's the bottom line: neither plan is universally better. It comes down to your priorities, cost versus flexibility. The worst thing you can do is pick one without understanding what you're paying for. So do yourself a favor. Click the link in the description right now. There's a special offer that could save you even more on your dental coverage. Don't leave money on the table.